Here's how you remove the band and replace the band on the gem. So the first part you want to do, this may have already happened for you, but you will want to remove the little plastic part that's here. And this is like the little frame of the gem. And so this normally sits right on top of the button that's here. And that's where you will put the button when you replace it. But for now, so you would remove this. This is likely broken off. You would remove this. And then when you flip it over, you'll see that there are two kind of metal indents here. And you can use a screwdriver. I'm going to use a little metal tool. And what you want to do is press into the metal piece, and then the armband will slide right out of the side there. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to press, try to trick you here. There. So I'm going to press down, and you'll feel it give, and you can slide it out. And then same thing here. Press down and then slide it out, and you'll see that that's where the metal piece is coming from. It's right on the band. So when you receive the new band, you're going to just take it out, and you want the metal piece to be facing that opening. So you wouldn't want to try to put it in this way. That wouldn't work. So you want to put it in with the metal piece facing, and it'll kind of lock into place. And then same thing here. Oops. We'll have the metal piece facing that little gap there. Oops, try this way, there. And that'll just lock into place. Now, once that's locked into place, you're going to grab your little frame. Here it is, and you'll notice on the frame, so one side is completely smooth, and the other side has the button on it, which you can kind of make out right here. And that button is going to go lay flat right above the button that's here. So one side doesn't have anything, the other side has the button. So I'm going to gently place it on. So what you can do is, oops, there we go, place it on this side, and then you're gonna just snap it in place gently, and you'll hear it snap. And there will be a little gap between the frame and the bottom of the gem there, and that's totally fine. But once it's in place, so you do want to make sure it's in place, there we go. It'll be completely flush, so you'll notice it's flush there. It's also straight there. We're not seeing any bumps or anything, and then it's flush here as well. And then you should be able to just use your gem normally. All right, hope this helps.